Alzheimer's. It's a disease that affects nearly 81,000 Kentuckians and their families. But new FDA-approved drugs and blood tests could help with early detection. ABC 36's Sydney St. Clair has the latest on the new treatments and research.
There are quite a few myths when it comes to Alzheimer's, such as memory loss is a normal part of aging, and Alzheimer's only affects older people. But the disease is caused by the protein amyloid, which degenerates the neurons in the brain.
We think actually it takes up to 20 years before patients come with symptoms. They may have these proteins accumulating. So the next area in this field will be prevention of Alzheimer's. I think it's all very exciting.
On Thursday, the Alzheimer's Association announced the release of a new drug, Kisunla, meant to target the protein.
So these new drugs actually target the disease itself. They're called disease-modifying therapy because they target these amyloid proteins. They actually clear this from the system.
The Alzheimer's Association also hopeful about research into early diagnosis of Alzheimer's.
Something that is going to change the course of this disease.
Being able to get a diagnosis through a blood test.
It's more accurate, up to 90%. And then also it offers not only accuracy, but more options for care and treatment. And it's not as invasive as what we have today.
Right now, doctors say the only way to be diagnosed is by getting a spinal tap or a PET scan. In Lexington, Sydney St. Clair, Good Morning Kentucky.
Doctors say the next step is prevention and then eventually a cure.